traveling light just got easier. Well, at least more consistent. We've all been there, cramming our bags into the sizing device at the gate, hoping it somehow magically shrinks just enough to avoid checking our bag. Starting in 2025, new carry-on luggage rules are being rolled out globally. These rules aim to eliminate confusion and streamline the boarding process. For frequent flyers, this means no more guessing games when hopping between airlines or destinations. These standardized regulations ensure a smoother experience from check-in to landing. Fewer surprises at the gate mean less stress for everyone. Previously, airlines could set their own carry-on size limits, leading to variations and confusion. This hodgepodge of rules often resulted in passengers being caught off guard, forced to check bags they thought met the requirements. The new regulations establish a single, universal standard for carry-on luggage dimensions. This standardization is a game-changer for travelers. By simplifying the rules, airports and airlines can improve efficiency and reduce delays. Passengers can pack with confidence, knowing their bag will meet the requirements of any airline anywhere in the world. Most U.S. carriers allow bags up to 22 by 14 by 9 inches, including handles and wheels, but international limits can differ significantly. This size is carefully calculated to fit comfortably in the overhead compartments of most modern aircraft. Remember, weight limits still apply and vary by airline, so be sure to check those before you fly. To ensure your bag fits the new dimensions, consider investing in a new, size-compliant carry-on suitcase. Many luggage manufacturers now offer bags specifically designed to meet these global standards. Look for these options when shopping for your next travel companion. In addition to standardized sizing, 2025 brings enhanced security measures. These advancements are designed to keep travelers safe while minimizing hassle. Liquids, gels, and aerosols must still be in containers no larger than 100 milliliters and placed in a single, transparent, resealable bag. Remember to pack your liquids bag separately in your carry-on for easy access at security checkpoints. Electronic devices larger than a mobile phone should also be removed from your bag and placed in a separate tray for screening. By familiarizing yourself with these procedures, you can breeze through security and arrive at your gate with time to spare.